So here's a factory linkage on a C5 or 6 Corvette. They're basically both the same, they're just the length's a little bit different. So you can see there's a little bit of play in here. Not a lot, but there is a little bit. Now that translates to quite a bit once you hook that to the shifter. This is what we're replacing it with. There's absolutely no slop in this. This is the end that connects to the shifter. This will look familiar to you if you've taken the box out. See all that slop in there? So basically what's going on is you're multiplying, you're adding this slop right here to the slop in the other end. That translates into quite a bit of slop in the shifter. Put one of these on each end and it tightens it up quite a bit. Plus, it's a significantly more durable part.